All right, take a look at the picture tonight from the Valley Skycam, and we're looking up here at the sugar plant, and I've got to tell you what, the steam that's throwing off, low clouds, a little bit of that going on, but other than that, crystal clear, and for the most part, a fairly quiet wind across the valley. It's all back down below zero. North-northwest wind blowing at 3 miles per hour. Look at Moorhead, 6 below. Anywhere with fresh snow, early this evening, we're going to see some very quickly falling temperatures. In fact, look at Devils Lake, 7 below, 6 below. Langdon Cavalier holding on to 0. And Grand Forks, you have 5 below, with Valley City also joining the sub-zero ranks, 1 above. One of the balmy spots out in the Detroit Lakes area. It's been milder in Wadena with 7 above as well. Thief River, 3 below. Take a look at the visible satellite. You can see the swath of snow left behind under the clear skies. We get a good view of that during the daylight hours as that low angle in the sun in the sky reflects that white light back out to space. Now, the deepest snow, well, as we told you, was in southern Grand Forks County all the way out to Hubbard County, where we had numerous reports of 3 to 6, even 9 inches of snowpack there. And that fresh snow that's that deep is really going to allow temperatures to cool off. Any travelers towards Sioux Falls or Rochester will run into bands of even more snow down there. For us, a few clouds will be making their way into the valley as we go through the overnight. It's the number of hours we spend clear tonight that I'm afraid we're going to see some bitter cold temperatures. Setting things into motion this evening, take a look at these numbers our model is spitting out, and these are too modest. It would not surprise me to see a 10 to 15 degree below reading in the areas with the deep snow. So if you are in Nevis, where you reported 9 inches, and if you are in the Northwood Hatton area, where you reported 9 inches of snow, temperatures will slip very quickly. Fargo could be down close to 10 below zero by the time we are heading to bed tonight. It continues to drop. And by the morning hours, notice that we spend more hours clear and quiet out to the east. Your temperatures, I think, will still be below zero in many locations first thing in the morning. Those clouds move in. Your temperatures, where the clouds and snow move through, will warm up during the overnight hours. So our western counties start the day in the teens, and a 15-mile-per-hour wind with flakes a-flying here and there across the northern valley. Because it's a fast mover, I don't expect a lot of accumulation, under an inch for most places. Here's a reminder of where that heavy band of snow is, so you'll start your day out on this eastern flank out here with sub-zero readings as opposed to what our model is spitting out there. Throughout the day, clearing skies, rising temperatures into the teens and 20s for most, with the snow exiting by the afternoon. Will even warm up central Minnesota. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Single-digit readings above zero will climb to 21 by the afternoon. That's when we'll have our best chance of snow in Fargo. Flakes are flying here and there and under an inch of accumulation. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will be in the 5 to 15 degree category for many where there's snow on the ground, but a little bit warmer down to the far south. After the snow moves through, we'll have cold air that starts on Christmas morning. Some spots with all this fresh snow, 25 to 35 below actual air temperature. Here's War Road. David Paul uploading a dandy light pillar there with the ice crystals refracting that light, bending it towards our eyes, making what looks like a pillar of light. Looks like 13 on Saturday. Sunday, not so bad for Christmas Eve. Santa and the reindeer get a break. Then look out. We may have to modify these temperatures, Mike, for Christmas morning and Tuesday morning and beyond, simply because of all of this fresh snow around. If we get even a little bit more out of these systems, we could be talking closer to 30 below to start our day, even right here in the FM area.
Well, then we don't need snow.
No.
All right, thanks.